Hello mga brad, dumayo po tayo ng gym para masubukan naman natin yung gym ng tropa natin or brad natin. Nag-treadmill tayo dito ng 30 minutes. Nag-bicep po tayo dito at nag-back po tayo dito. Yun po yung ginawa ko sa gym na to. Thank you for watching. Hello mga brad, this kind of treadmill you can see your steps. So in 30 minutes I did 2,500 steps, which is good because you can see the step that you are doing. This treadmill, it will show the 30 minutes up to down to 0. So some of the treadmill is starting to 1 to 30, but this one is different, 30 to 0. Okay, so we're just walking, started working already. Okay mga brad, tapos na po tayo sa 30 minutes. So ang cooldown niya is 2.5 lang kasi 3.0 lang ang speed natin. So yan po.